यानी नेशनल हिप कोर्स और इंडोकॉन 2026 का इंदौर से आप सबका स्वागत करता हूं।
When in April, Dr. Sushrut Babulkar talked to me regarding having a national level course in Indore for 26, we were very excited.
I have been coming to Indore for many years, and always I have enjoyed the interactions and the interest which the people take from Indore and nearby.
मैं डॉक्टर सुशील बाबूकर, आई एम कोर्स चेयर फॉर दिस थर्ड नेशनल हिप कोर्स।
For the first time in the history, we could achieve target of 300 plus delegates. मैं डॉक्टर अभिजीत पंडित, AOSI के तत्वाधान हमने ये कॉन्फ्रेंस करने का एक बीड़ा जो लिया था 6 से 7 महीने के पहले, वो आज हमारे 23 जनवरी को पहला कैडेवर का दिन रहा कॉन्फ्रेंस का। 100 डेलीगेट्स ने हिस्सा लिया। हिंदुस्तान का इकलौता ऐसा कोर्स रहा जहां पहली बार कैंडिडेट्स को सही करने का तरीका सिखाया गया, उसके बाद उन्हें करने का मौका दिया गया।
I am Dr. Amol Patil. Now, National Hip Course is a specialty course which we conduct on a yearly basis. It covers all aspects of hip.
और ये हिंदुस्तान का पहला कोर्स रहा जहाँ की 100 लोगों ने अपने हाथों से सर्जरी करना सीखा।
Hello, I am Dr. Vinay Tantuay, orthopedic surgeon from Indore. A marvelous job has been done by the organizing committee. Such a huge level I have seen in the first time in the history of Indore orthopedics. Our organizers, Dr. Hemant Mandovra, Dr. Arjun Jain, Dr. Abhijit Pandit, and the whole team of Indocon, I should say the AOSI organizing committee has done a lot of hard work to make this conference huge success. International and national faculties as well as delegates are there. Next level, AV, the quality of the sound, audio, perfect. There is no match of this AV team over here. Along with the event manager, 19 yards, they have done a fantastic job.
एक बड़ी ही अच्छी एकेडमिक फीस्ट थी जिसमें 24 को यानी पहले दिन हमने डिस्कस किया कि हिप की किस किस तरह की बीमारियां होती हैं।
जो इंडोकॉन जो अभी हो रही है वो बहुत ही एक्सीलेंट है।
I'm Dr. Ashish Guya. The interactions were fantastic, the presentations were all good, and the audio-visual arrangements were outstanding, extremely outstanding. Thank you very much.
Hello, myself Dr. Apurva Dodia, and I am coming from Jamnagar, Gujarat. This is the third edition I know, but I had attended this for the first time, and I am really happy that I learnt a lot from this conference. I am very thankful to the team.
All these things are the ones which is going to help each one of us. Even as a faculty, I have learned quite a lot, and I am sure as the participants have also learned a lot. Thank you.
ये जो कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई है, this is at par with any other national conference.
Hi, my name is Professor Rajesh Malhotra. Discuss threadwear, all that is there to know about the hip, and I really want to congratulate the organizers for having organized such an excellent academic program.
एकेडमिक फीस्ट जो है वो बहुत नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड की एकेडमिक फीस्ट हमको मिली।
Hi, I am Dr. Kasyap Ardeshna. Until I came here, I thought the hospitality of our area is the best. But now I am little confused because the hospitality which the Indore people in Indocon has given is amazing.
We have spent last 2.5 days in Indore. I think this is one of the best meetings I have attended in Indore. We have had great academic bonanza of this. Lots of faculty from all over the country came and contributed to the academic knowledge. The organization was absolutely pristine. Team led by Hemant, Arjun and Abhijit have done a fantastic job, supported by their backup team. Thank you very much, Indore team, for giving a fantastic time and a great academic feast. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर रावल है। इंडोकॉन जो है इंदौर में हर साल होता है और मैं बहुत ही खुशी के साथ कह रहा हूँ कि हर साल इसमें क्वालिटी ऑफ कंटेंट और क्वालिटी ऑफ डिस्कशंस जो होते हैं वो हर साल इम्प्रूव होते जा रहे हैं।
First day experience of workshop was very, very good. I learned a lot from junior colleagues. तो मैं कहने जा रहा था किसी को कि जिन बच्चों को हमने पोस्टी अप्रोच हाथ पकड़े सिखाई थी, आज वो बच्चे हमको हाथ पकड़ के एंटी अप्रोच सिखा रहे हैं।
काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा और काफ़ी हम लोगों को सीखने को मिला है और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था और टाइम का बेस्ट यूटिलाइजेशन हुआ। थैंक यू सो मच।
मैं चाहूँगा आने वाले सालों में भी एकेडमिक एडवांसमेंट की ये लहर चलती रहे और उत्तरोत्तर इसमें उन्नति होती रहे। धन्यवाद। Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Apart from the learning experience, the venue is great, and of course, Indore hospitality has always been the best. Thank you so much.
And made this conference an excellent level. It's a world-class conference, I would say, and I really enjoyed it. Thank you.